Upgrading to a PayPal business account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, you will need to have an existing PayPal personal account, as you cannot upgrade to a business account without one. First, log into your PayPal account using your email address and password. Once you are logged in, click on the gear icon in the top right corner of the page, which will take you to the Account Settings page. From the Account Settings page, click on the Upgrade to Business Account link, which can be found under the Account Type section. This will take you to a new page where you will need to provide some basic business information, such as your business name, address, and tax identification number. You will also need to provide information about the type of business you own, including the business category and a brief description of your business. This information is used to verify your business and to provide a more professional experience for your customers. Once you have provided all of the required information, click the Agree and Continue button to proceed with the upgrade. You will then be asked to review and agree to the PayPal Business Account User Agreement, which outlines the terms and conditions of using a business account. After you have agreed to the user agreement, your account will be upgraded to a business account, and you will have access to a range of additional features and tools, including the ability to accept credit card payments and to track your sales and expenses. It is worth noting that there are no fees to upgrade to a business account, but you will be charged a small fee for each transaction that you process. The fee is typically a percentage of the transaction amount, plus a small fixed fee. In conclusion, upgrading to a PayPal business account is a simple and straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps and providing the required information, you can take advantage of the additional features and tools that a business account has to offer, and start accepting payments from your customers today. It is also important to keep in mind that having a business account can help you to appear more professional and to build trust with your customers, which can be beneficial for your business. Additionally, a business account can provide you with more control over your finances and can help you to keep your personal and business expenses separate. Overall, upgrading to a PayPal business account is a great way to take your business to the next level and to start accepting payments online. With its ease of use and range of features, a business account can help you to succeed and to grow your business.